Hi guys, so install this wig with me. Yeah, you know, say girl, I turn pro now. Yes, girl, I learned some stuff. Yes, this is the wig before. Yes, me did fix it up and something. So I put 2 layer glue and here's now make a blood dry. Make it dry. As I'm saying, the glue clear. So right there, you see the glue clear. So I'm gonna put it on now. Put it on, make sure I fix it. See me and comb in. Put on one first part of my comb in. This so now I put on the melting for side down. But I know how this a white up, but it a go work, it a go fix. I blow dry, make sure it dry. Make sure it dry before I tie it down. Make it dry good, you know. So I see that I tie it down there some. And this is how it looks. So I say alright then, I'm going with a wax stick and the hot comb so I can style it. So I say I did want to get a side part. So I'm going with the side part there. So this is how it look. Remember that the week we pluck out, you know. Yes, I'm coming with the baby ear. Why baby ear a beat me bad. It's a beat me bad, but say I'm gonna try a thing. Yeah. And I give up, but baby ear business beat me bad. So see there, and it come out too bad. Yes, and guys look there. My ear melt down, my head melt down. Not to no lie, I'm come out with the one there. So I wet it up with some water and condition so you can get the curl. I never have no mousse or nothing like that. Yeah, but see there, this is what the ear giving. And make sure it's side down so the edge them much there. Look at ear. I soon turn my ear just like I'm soon turn pro. Look at ear. I go on myself, but not to lie. I'm getting there. I'm so proud. You know how far me I come from? Far. Like sometimes you could have seen me lace or something. Look there. And look at the edges. Me tell you the edges come out good. Girl, I'm going with herself, you know. Bye. Thank you for watching.